Hi everyone, this is my new project model, Hexapod robot. I would also call this spider robot. It consists of 6 legs, 3 on one side, 3 on the other side, and each leg consists of 3 servo motors, for total 18 servo motors. The brain of this project is arduino motherboard, and then we are using few arduino modules like Bluetooth modules and another set of Bluetooth modules for the remote control. I would control this spider robot by using the joystick. Another additional feature is we can control this robot using mobile app as well. So to make this project, we have to grab all the acrylic sheet, cutted good quality acrylic sheet pieces to assemble all the parts and servo motors. Once you assemble this, we have to do the programming in the Arduino platform to control all the 18 servo motors. Then we have to plug in this remote. By using joystick control, we can control the robot. I will show you how to control this. By using joystick, we can move it up, backward, forward, right and left. So in all directions we can move the robot very easily by using joystick. And this consists of skills like assembly, installation of servo motors, simple wiring and programming as well. We can use this project in defense applications such as sending the robots in uneven areas to take pictures or to dismantle any hazardous things, and we can use this in educational purpose as well. I hope you like the project. This will be a very useful project and a good project for the diploma range graduation projects and graduation level mini projects. I hope you like this project. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Share it with your friends for more views. I would love to share more advanced project videos in future. Thank you.